Good day, everyone. Welcome to my home. How y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I got my Bill Cosby sweater because I felt like it was a little cold this morning. I hope all is well with you guys. I'm here with my Rugrats. And this other one, where's it? Aaron. Look at me. Look at me. Say hi. Alright. There they are. But I'm about to Divine get down. Really? But I'm about to get the cooking. So I just wanted you guys to join me today. I'm about to make some beans. I'm about to make some chicken wings, but I don't know if I want to grill it or fry it, but I'll probably grill it because anything grilled I love. And I'll make some plantain also and some rice. So let's get okay guys, so this is my beans. I soaked it overnight, and I soaked my beans for two reasons. One, I just don't like the gas effects it gives me, so that's why I soak it. Soaking it helps remove any gas compounds in my beans, and number two, it reduces my cooking time. So look at my beans, they're already swelled up with water overnight, so when I cook it, it won't take me such a long time. So for my beans, I will be cutting half of this onion and half of this gigantic garlic. Look at that. It's called an elephant garlic and it's so huge. It looks like one clove in one.
But elephant,
what is it? This is how my beans look like right now. I put my onions, I put bay leaves, I put garlic, I put nutmeg, salt, and I also put my palm oil. Palm oil is an option. You don't have to put it, but I just like to put it because it just gives it a different flavor. It makes it taste better. But if you're not a fan of palm oil, you don't have to put palm oil. You can just put regular vegetable oil. That would be fine too. So guys, I already washed my chicken. While the beans are boiling, I'm about to season my chicken. So it looks like this right here. It's been washed, and this is all the spices that I will be using. I have all spices, I have onion powder, I have this chicken seasoning I got from an African convenience store. I got this garlic powder and jerk seasoning. This jerk seasoning, it has flavor, but it's not really spicy, because I know when people think about jerk seasoning, they think it's spicy, but it's really not spicy. Not this one anyway, but it's good. So this is what So I use this. I believe I got this bag, if I'm not mistaken, I got it from Sam's Club or Walmart. One of those two stores, Sam's Club or Walmart. So I just got this. It's 25 pounds. Smaller 25-pound bags. I think it's just convenient for the family size that we have. So this is how my bean looks. Nice and soft. Let me squeeze it so y'all can see. Ooh, there we go. See how soft it is? So it didn't really take time to boil it. Now I'm about to make a separate sauce that I'm going to throw on top of here and let it boil together. So guys, I've added my oil in my pan. Then I will be adding my onions. Here's all my onions I've added. Then I'll be adding my crushed garlic. And make sure your stove is not too hot so your onions don't burn, because the garlics and onions really tend to burn quickly. I don't know why I keep stumbling over my words, guys. I apologize, but as you can see here, it was a little too hot, so I put my heat a little bit down because it started to kind of, see, burn my onions, but I turned the heat down. Now it's okay. Just like that. And now I will be adding my tomato paste. Thank you so much for watching me cook today. And if you find this content interesting to you, feel free to subscribe. But I'm about to dig in my food. Look at that.
So guys, I always end to when I
see you on my next video.